Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you filed your taxes with Turbotax and you're eagerly waiting for that refund, you'll love this quick guide. Today, I'll show you the foolproof way to track your tax refund directly through Turbotax, step by step. Whether you're new to Turbotax or a seasoned user, this 2025 guide will make sure you know exactly where your money is and when it's coming. Let's dive in. Visit the Turbotax website first. Open your web browser and head to the official Turbotax website. Always double-check that the URL starts with intuit.com or turbotax.intuit.com to avoid phishing scams. Sign into your account. Next, click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Turbotax username and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just use the password recovery option to reset it securely. Access your tax home. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Turbotax homepage. Here, look for the Tax Home section. This is where you can manage all of your tax-related details in one place. Navigate to your account. Inside the Tax Home, scroll until you find your account. This section contains everything about your filing activity and payments. View Order, Summary, click your account, and then select View Order Summary. This page pulls together all your transactional details, basically a snapshot of your entire filing process. Check your refund status. Finally, on the Order Summary page, you'll see your refund details, including the estimated arrival date and any updates on processing. If there are delays or issues, this is where you'll spot them first. And that's it. Tracking your tax refund with Turbotax in 2025 is that simple. No guesswork, no confusion. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone waiting on their refund. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tax and finance guides. Thanks for watching, and may your refund hit your account faster than you expect.